Hey everybody, welcome to Faithfully Bearded. I'm Tyson. I just wanted to do a quick video real quick here. So I have my logo, I kind of designed it, and I ran across like a promo or something to where I could get stickers made. And it was real cheap, so I was like, oh cool, I'm gonna get some stickers made because I love stickers. I like to sticker up things. So I figured I'm gonna have some stickers made, right? So I did, and they came in, and this is how they turned out, right? So I like my logo, but I feel like on a sticker, it looks kind of weird up top. Like it needs a hat or hair, maybe some glasses. I don't know. It's gotta look like me a little bit, right? So I'm kind of like, okay, maybe I need to redo my design a little bit before we get too in depth and we start printing stuff and making stuff. Maybe I need to make it more pleasing for the printers. So I kind of sat and I designed around a little bit more this morning. But keep in mind, I am not a whiz with any of these programs. They're all pretty new to me. So coming up with a design, a logo, that's all pretty new stuff. I've just been messing around with it, so it's not anything I'm an expert at by any means. But I came up with that one. I liked it. I liked the cross bean in there. I like that it says Faithfully Bearded. I'm trying to come up with something for the brand, you know, and get the brand out there. So I came up with a few different ones today, and I guess I just want to poll. What's everybody's opinion here? So let's take a poll. Put it in the comments below which one's your favorite. I got like 5 options. So 5 options here, and we'll take a look at those right now. All right, so here we go. We're gonna go like option number 1, and this is just to keep it the same way it is. Option number 1. Option number 2, I'll have right here. Let me know what you think of that. And we have option number 3. Let me know what you think of this guy over here. And then we got option number 4. This one might be my favorite. Right here. And then we have option number 5. So that's it, really. I'm just trying to come up with something that's going to be more pleasing for stickers, mugs, hats, anything. I like the idea of like maybe like a beanie on it, but I really only wear beanies in the winter because it's freezing up here in South Dakota. The summer I'm more of a hat, but then I'm working on growing my hair out too, so I don't know how much I'll wear a hat when my hair gets grown out. I don't really know. So I'm just kind of going off of this. And then, you know, like the beard shape, it's a work in progress. I'm only 4 months into my beard, and I'm going for the yeared. So, I mean, my beard shape is going to change, so I don't necessarily know anything that it needs a shape like that. But, hey, maybe one of you guys out there is great and can come up with an awesome logo for me. I don't know. Let's just see what happens. But take your vote. Write it down in the comments below which one's your favorite. And we'll kind of just go from there. Maybe we'll adjust, or maybe somebody knows somebody that can make one. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of what I wanted to do today. Also comment below like what you have in your beards today. I am rocking, if you saw my unboxing from Lone Bear. So I'm wearing out the Lone Bear beard oil and balm today. If you haven't checked out that video, I posted it yesterday. It's an unboxing from Lone Bear. And I'm testing out their products right now, and I'll have a review up of that probably Monday, I would guess. So check out that video and subscribe to this. It really helps me out. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And then we got to thank God, number 1, for everything that we do here. So you guys keep on bearding on, stay warm, and until next time, God bless.